Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to remove the Siri's history on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. Now, scroll down and find the option called the Siri. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down and you should see the option called Siri History. Tap on it. And then if you want to remove the your searches through the Siri, you can tap on Delete Siri History and then tap on Delete, and it's gonna remove them. And once you're done, you can tap on Dismiss and then press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you remove the Siri history on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.